Okay, Mama, I already did 3 plus 3. 6 plus 2 is 8.
Okay.
So 8
Hindi na nagbibilang, marunong na.
round.
Marunong na. You love math, Beatrice?
Yes, I love it.
Why do you love math?
Sometimes it's hard and sometimes it's easy.
But you love math.
Yeah.
It's interesting to study?
Yeah. Actually, I still love mathematics.
Very good. Hello Philippines! Good morning and welcome to Portugal! Nandito sila. Ross, say hi to my vlog everyone. Beatrice. Okay. Naglalaro sila. So today, ano tayo? Maglilinis. I only have 1 hour kasi magluluto pa tayo. So, meron ako dito. This is very, tawag dito, matapang. So, kailangan ko ng mask. Kasi before, nung maglinis ako, sobrang hapdi ng mukha ko at yung mata ko, parang napaso siya. So, naging blurry tuloy yung, yung paningin ko. So, if you want to use this kind of chemicals para sa molds, fungus, interiors, exteriors, please use po ng mask. Yung pang sa COVID pa to eh. Tapos, gagamit po talaga kayo ng gloves. So, tinanggal ko yung singsing natin para hindi tayo So, gamit talaga kayo ng gloves kasi yung gagawin ko ngayon, i-rigid natin na linis yung, yung wall. Kasi dito, alam nyo po, bakit yung rason dito, bakit tayo palaging nakatile halos lahat na wall sa bahay. Hindi pa yan tapos. Madami pa tayong gagawin ng mga tiles dyan. Kasi, yung pintura po ay nagbabakbak. Oo. So, much better na nakatile na siya para hindi na natin puproblemahin pa. At saka, pag nababakbak every year, mag-change ka. So, yun. So, I prefer na i-tile na lang siya. Tapos, yung ganon. Tapos, I don't know how to use this one kasi never pa ako naggamit nito nung nag-COVID. So, try natin. Ano ba to? Ilagay natin to. So, yan. So, kailangan ko talaga to kasi last time talaga sobrang sakit ng mata ko at saka yung mukha ko. Sobrang hapdi. Kayo yun. Yung sa nakita yung bukol-bukol ng mukha ko is from chemicals or from sa kinakain ko ng mga nuts. Hindi din ako compatible sa lahat ng nuts. So, yun. Pero, hindi siya pimple actually. Ano lang talaga. Ayan. Mukhang mawiwil din tayo. Yung ganito naman yung style. What is that, Beatrice? So, try natin how to use this one like this.
Oh my God!
It's like this, Papa?
Huh? Yes.
Oh. Nahuhulog. Or baka ganun. Ano ba to? It's important din maprotektahan yung mata natin. So, ayan. I need to taasan ko lang siguro para yung ulo ko matakpan din. Yung agtang ko. Yung maano ko nakaagtang. So, ayan. Tingnan natin. Meron kasi dito sa wall. Akala nyo last time. Yung red. Akala nyo paint yun. Hindi yun paint. Ng asawa ko na na-surprise kami na hindi pala yun pintura yung nandito. Ano pala yun? Mold. So yun, nag-check namin, one of the toxic molds din po pala yun. So baka kung may nakikita kayo na ganyan sa wall ninyo, be aware na po. Ito, nakikita nyo to, akala nyo ano siya, ay ano ba to? Okay. Hindi pala yun guys, hindi pala yun pintura, molds pala yun. Ang tingnan nyo, nakukuha siya molds talaga. So yan, pag may nakita kayong ganyan-ganyan, be careful. Akala nyo red na paint under ng hindi po. Nagulat kami ang asawa ko, molds pala yun. Akala namin pintura. Kasi ang mahirap dito sa amin, yung kabilang wall. Kapitbahay na yan. So, hindi natin yan anytime na makakapunta tayo doon sa kabila. So, inayos ko yun last time actually. Nang umuulan na. Inayos ko pa. So, for this coming summer, gagawin ko din to. I-tile ko. I will check some, tile na i-tile din namin to para hindi na kami mamumblema sa molds. Punas-punas na lang. So, ganyan. I-brush ko. Parang hindi kaya ng punas lang. I-brush ko to. Grabe, ang tapang talaga na. Ano na to? Chemicals na to. Yan, ipagpatuloy ko to kasi gagawin ko po sa buong bahay. I-check ko. Nagawa ko na siya kasi last time. But, not everything. Si Beatrice, nagda-dry cough. Baka din yun sa molds. Tapos yun. O minsan, napaka-dry ng air din. Isa din reason. Dry air, dahil gumagamit kami ng fan na heater at saka fireplace. So, sobrang dry ng air. Kaya kailangan talaga may plant sa loob ng bahay. And also, pag ganyan, nag-dry ng air, you can put a bowl of water inside the room para medyo may moist. Or you can have a humidifier also. Pero yung humidifier, magkukos din yun ng molds. Kaya, sometimes hindi mo alam kung ano talagang gagawin mo. Which one you prefer? Molds, humidifier, whatever. So, parang wala kang choice. So, yan. Ingat-ingat din. Dahil namamantsa to. Pumuti yung last time ng towel na ginamit ko panlinis. So, yan na. Ituloy ko muna yung aking paglilinis. Okay? Pinakita ko lang sa inyo na be careful pag naglinis kayo ng mga molds. Especially using chemicals na ganyan. Tingnan mo. Sige na. See you later, alligator. Dami ko pang gagawin. Time check. 11:30. 11:30. So, 1.5 hour na ako naglilinis. Beatrice is there. Still there. Papa. Ayoko sis lang pumasok sa room. Kasi nga, masyadong malakas yung amoy ng detergent, ng chemicals. So, ayan, ganito po ka-chaos. Yung steps, kasi nga inabot ko yung sa taas ng wall, and now it's clean. Kahit yung sa bedroom namin, sobrang linis ng wall. Yan, nalinis po talaga siya. So, ayan. Dito, hindi na natin to matatanggal sa likod because finix ko talaga yung dito. Yan. This is not, hindi yan namumove. So, yeah, nilinis na natin. Sobrang linis na, and I hope na wala nang dito, dry cough, kasi ang molds nakakos din ng dry cough. Ayan, I need to vacuum. So, yan, linisin natin, yung vacuum natin yan. So, ang magaling kong anak, sinusulatan yung wall. So, ayan, nalinis na talaga siya. Especially yung sa bedroom ni Beatrice. Sobrang linis na. Ayan. Wala na tayong makikitang molds dyan. Tsaka na-vacuum ko na rin yung na-vacuum ko na rin yung floor niya. Ayan. So, na-arrange na rin natin. So, I'm done with that. Nagsaing na ako. Ako din magluluto. So, ganyan tayo yung buhay natin dito. Yung paglilinis, extra lang po yun. So, yun. Ayusin ko muna. Vacuum ko muna to. kailangan natin, sabi ko, kailangan natin tong gawin na i-tiles din natin tong wall. Ayoko yung mga papel na lang. Kasi moist at saka nagmo-molds. Kasi dito po, yung bahay po namin ay may underground river. Underground, as in underground, malalim. I don't know if along the road dun sa labas. Kaya medyo palaging moist yung wall namin dito. So, much better na i-tile na natin to. So, maghahanap pa ako ng tile. Kaya kung pansin nyo, as I said nga, daming kong tile yung wall. Kasi nababakbak yung pintura. So, ayan. So, I will show you yung itsura pag nababakbak ng pintura. Ito, kakabakbak lang. Ayan. Yan. Nababakbak ng pintura. Kasi nga, parang nagmo-moist siya inside yung wall. Kaya gaya din ito, ganun din to. Mana siya, parang basa siya. So, I don't know. Siguro, yan nga, galing sa ilalim. Tapos, kahit dito, ganun din yan dito. Kahit sa middle na, namin, ganun din yan dito. Pero ngayon, hindi na. Kasi nga, tinayal ko na nga yan. So, ako din po yung nag-tile niyan. So, yeah. Kaya natin tinatile yan. So, kahit siguro doon sa bedroom, para iwas molds na rin, gawin din natin yun. Itatile din natin yun. Itatile din natin yun sa ating makakaya. So, yun. Pati yung doon sa bedroom. Dito sa mga outer, yung nasa outside wall. Itatile natin yan. Pero konti-konti lang. Kasi mahina po yung kalaban. Nag-isa lang po ako. So, yan. Pero actually, parang ayoko na din gumastos masyado sa bahay na ito. Kasi, I don't know. So, as long as comfortable naman kami. Ang ano lang kasi, pag winter ito, parang nagmo-mold siya. Nababasa siya. So, ganun. So, yan. Let's see. Ano pang magagawa natin. Continue ko muna. Kasi mag-alas 12 na. Tayo ay magluluto pa ng lunch. So, tapusin ko muna yung paglilinis. It's already 12. I asked my husband to buy food. Kasi hindi na ako makapagluto. Nastusin na. Hindi na ako makapagluto. I'm so tired. Binrush ko kasi yung wall ng bedroom ni Beatrice, ng aming bedroom at saka yung living room. So, I'm really, really tired. So, ito pala yung nangyari. Pag yung chemical, sobrang lakas ng chemical. Tingnan nyo yung nangyari sa pants ko. Namuti. Yan. Ganyan kalakas yung chemicals. So, namuti siya. So, ingat-ingat lang talaga pag gumagamit ng ganyang mga chemicals sa paglilinis. You better have ready to use mask. At least ngayon medyo hindi mahapdi yung mata ko. Last time talaga sobrang hapdi yung mata ko para hindi ako makakakita. Tapos yun, to use mask, you have to use gloves. Kahit nag-gloves ako, numutin yung kamay ko dahil sobrang tagal sa loob ng gloves. So, ayan. So, at least tapos na. And I'm happy na malinis at saka mold-free na yung ating bedroom, living room at saka yung bedroom ni Beatrice. Yun ang naman importante. So, titingnan natin mamaya kung anong binili ng asawa ko because we normally bought in that restaurant grilled food. Tapos, yung ano din, yung may fries. So, he told me that he might check some different types of food. So, meron pa akong lilinisin dito. Yung nagluto na ako ng rice. Akala ko magluluto ako. Tapos, nag-defrost na rin ako ng chicken. Pero hindi ko na talaga kaya magluto. Ganun, pag marami akong ginagawa, I cannot really do everything. Diba? So, yun. I only asked him to buy food. So, anyway, I still have to clean up the fireplace later. Ito pa yung mga gagawin natin dito sa bahay. So, since wala naman akong work, so tayo na lang gagawa yung mga gawain pagpapalay. Sobrang mahal ng patay dito ha. Instead na ipapagawa mo, ikaw na lang gumawa kung kaya mo naman gawin, di ba? Ang imbes na ibili mo ng bayad mo doon sa trabaho, ibili mo lang ng materyales, di ba? So yun ang mga future plans natin dito. So madami pa rin gagawin sa bahay na to. So, yan. Tsaka, yeah, I'm really, really tired. So, tingnan natin mamaya kung nabili ng asawa ko. Ay. Ay, ay. So what is that? Prepare for the meal. Let's see what you've got here. Let's see what. Oh, really? So you pay more? Oh, wow. Tingnan natin yung for the next week. Hindi na kami kakain until next week. So we have soup. Oh, thank you, my love. You buy soup. Very good. Oh, what is this? Fries for sure. At least yung pero hindi siya rice. Yung rice nila dito may lasa. Yung and fries for Beatrice. And for him. Uy! Uy! 2 fries? 2 boxes of rice. Wow! 1 of you each. And this is the meal. Let's see. This is the meal. Ah, very good. Wow. Okay. Here's what we've got. Grilled. Wow, so big. Okay.
Wow!
So, yes, baby.
Mama,
Yeah. Papa.
to show you something. I made a paper pencil case.
Oh, pencil
It
case.
looks like a unicorn. One eye has a star, one eye has a heart.
So, you want me to buy Coke there in the store?
Yeah, because I already forgot.
Okay.
Mama,
No, you my jam.
Okay. I asked Beatrice if we can make video. She said it's okay, baby, na?
yes.
Okay. So, Beatrice will answer her assignment. It's only 3:30, 3:40. Pinaliguan ko na kasi ayoko siyang maligo ng gabi.
Mama,
Baby.
what is today, Mama?
Today is,
10?
no. Wait lang.
Ask Papa.
No, you can have your pad. Today is March 9. Okay?
It is still 9.
Yeah, it's only 9. So, ayan, answer ng
9
assignment
of what? 3.
3.
2024.
Yes.
20.
24.
24. Mama, here's the name and date.
Okay.
Here's the name and date.
So, Beatrice will answer her assignment.
Mama, I don't understand this.
Okay. They say you color the number 6. So, for example,
Orange.
yes.
6 is orange.
Let's check, ha?
All the
Let's make all for the color.
All the equations that make 6.
Yes,
And all
exactly.
the equations that make 7.
Orange.
Paint blue.
Blue.
Brown.
Let's
Green.
check the brown.
Pink, red and yellow.
Okay. Hanap tayo dito. Where's the brown, baby? It's brown. Okay, we have to sharpen it.
I
And
will sharpen it.
green,
And then pink, red and yellow.
pink.
I already sharpened the brown.
Oh, this is not pink. This is
Mama, here's pink,
okay, pink, red.
red and yellow.
Let's pick up the big red so you will not. This one is red.
No, it's a maroon. It's maroon.
Kamatayon, oy.
Mama, what about we use this?
Okay, red and yellow.
Yellow. I already sharpened the yellow.
So we don't need always to pick up, okay?
Okay, Mama.
Okay.
So what is 9 minus 1? Hey, it's 8.
Which one?
So 8 is
Which
brown.
one?
This is the equation of 8.
Yeah. So 8 is
8 is brown. You can see here the color.
equation na kasi sila, nag-equation. So Yeah. Answer tayo ng assignments para wala tayong isipin.
Mama, it looks like a picture of a parrot on the tree.
Yes, it is.
Mama, it says 4 plus 2.
4 plus 2 equals?
6. So 6 is orange.
Okay, very good. Great job. Just color it properly, that it will not go out from the boundary, okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
And
Make
it's
it beautiful, okay? That it doesn't go out from the line. Okay? Just slow down. It's okay to be slow.
to make it steady.
So, ang ginagawa niya ngayon, meron ditong sa equation. Then they have to answer kung yung answer depende sa, ang kulay nakadepende sa answer. Na.
Okay, Mama, I already did 4 plus 3. 6 plus 2 is 8.
Okay.
So 8
Hindi na nagbibilang,
is
marunong na.
round.
Marunong na. You love math, Beatrice?
Yes, I love it.
Why do you love math?
Sometimes it's hard and sometimes it's easy.
But you love math.
Yeah.
It's interesting to study?
Yeah. Actually, I still love mathematics.
Very good. Do you want to be like Mama?
Huh?
Do you want to be like Mama?
Yeah.
Mm.
Mama, okay. Mama, this is too difficult. 2 plus 2 plus 5.
How much? You try.
2, 3, 4, and plus 2, 5, 6, and then 5.
No. Again, 2 plus 2. This is only 2 plus 2.
4.
Okay, plus 5. 4 plus 5. 4 plus
9?
5? Yeah.
So the 9 is green.
Confused ang bata.
Only a little bit confused.
Ay. Masagot talaga. Pero tama naman. No. Pero basta may assignment sila, pinakauna niyang sinasagutan is math.
Okay, Mama.
Very
Now
good.
let's go here on here.
This one? 10 minus 3?
No, Mom, I want to do here.
Okay.
6 plus 5.
6 plus 5? 6?
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
So, tinuturuan ko kasi ng tactics.
So
kung
the
paano siya
11
mag-add na mas
so the
mabilis. Kasi
11
hindi mo naman
So
kailangan.
the 11 is red.
Yes. So, hindi mo naman kailangan kasi na, di ba, 10 naman yung kamay natin. So, tinuturuan ko siya kung paano yung pag-addition. Siyempre, grade 1 pa lang naman.
Okay, Mama. 7 plus 3 is 10. So 10 is pink.
Very good. So, ganyan. When it comes to math, konting instruction lang yan si Beatrice. Oo. No, baby.
Okay, here's one. Mama, this is really difficult there.
It's not difficult.
And so here's 1 plus 5 is 6.
Difficult. Difficult, but you still can answer it no matter what, right? Yeah? So, let's
Mama,
see.
here's a really hard one.
Really hard one. Why?
Because it's with a big number. That's 11 minus 2.
Ayan yung ginagawa niya kasi. Yan, kinukulayan. Uy! Careful with you. Ayan.
Oh, wow.
See? What did you do? Yan, ganyan yung ginagawa nila. Yung kukulayan based sa, ano.
Mama,
Okay.
help me with this. 11 minus 2.
11 minus 2. What do you think?
Mama,
2.
I think
2. No. 2. Count in your finger. No, Beatrice. Count in your finger. Sige na.
no.
Beatrice, I'm giving you.
I don't want.
Why?
The ruler is good, Mama, because it has a lot of numbers.
So, yun. Depende sa'yo yan. Assignment naman to eh. Okay. You know your way. Make it your way. Okay? So, 11.
So, we're here at 11, and then go back 2. 1, 2. There equals 9. 9 is green.
Yan. Yun siya eh. Yun yung ano niya, mas easier way for her to, to answer. Kaya, alam nyo kasi sa math, there are 1,000 ways.
Here on the parrot.
Very
and
good.
next, here, it says 10 minus 3
Okay, 10 minus 3.
is lucky 7.
Hindi na binibilang. Sa ulalo na din niya. So, yan. Practice lang naman kasi yun. Tapos, yan. As, isang
Always
concept.
having a big practice.
Yes, a bit of practice and you will be good. There are 1,000 ways in killing the cat. Sabi nga nila. So, yeah. Why not coconut? No. Easy. So, tapusin namin yung assignment niya, ha?
12 is yellow.
Yeah. Tapusin mo yung assignment. Diyos ko, hugas ng pinggan yung asawa ko. Kasi nga, kami ng assignment ni Beatrice. Hindi ko naman siya sinabihan na maghugas ng pinggan. Pero, ayun, naghugas ng pinggan. And thanks to my Papa Pedro. Naghugas ng pinggan. Maaga pa namin sinara yung curtain. Very good. So, maaga namin sinara yung curtain.
Equation is 5
Kasi,
10.
malamig. Palaging today is really a lot of hail. Grabe yung hail talaga. So, sinasarado namin yan. So, we close all the curtains na early. Then, we already turn on the fireplace too. So, ganyan. Dito sa amin. So, no one can see. Tapos, yung naman namin is glasses. Privacy glass. Kahit dito sa room niya. Privacy glass yan. So, no need na to cover. So, ayan. Ganyan ang life natin dito. Tagulan. Lagi lang nag-hail-hail. Ito pala yung kapatid ni Beatrice na si... What's the name?
Hacemos un dibujo.
Yung gift namin sa kanya nung December ay si... What is the name of this? So pretty girl. Magdalena. Ayan. Laging nakatayo lang dyan. Hindi napagod. Hindi ka ba napagod? Kakatayo dyan, ha? You're not tired of standing? Don't push, Madalena.
I just want to press its tummy so I can talk.
Okay.
¿Estamos juntas? Tienes un nombre muy bonito. ¿Vemos una película?
Vamos a pelikula. She wants...
That means we will go to a movie?
We want to watch movie, yes. So, tapusin. So, we will continue that, baby, okay? And later, Mama will cook food.
Oh.
Thank you, my love. Naghugas ng pinggan, oh. Thank you, Papa.
Feel it.
No. She's so entertained. Ayan.
It's pink.
Oh, yeah? Papa, wash the plate, Beatrice. Why? You're silly. Why? Why are you laughing? You're crazy. Why are you laughing? Papa is washing the plate. What's that? You are crazy. Ay.
Mama, okay, 6 plus 3
Okay, continue.
is 12.